Two large ships side by side in open water appear to be transferring oil illegally from a ship flying a Hong Kong flag to one from North Korea. It comes a day after Donald Trump tweeted about China being caught red-handed, funneling fuel to the north. But Beijing, one of North Korea's last remaining allies, denies it broke a UN resolution that bans ship-to-ship transfers.
Please raise their hand.
Publicly, China has been on board with UN sanctions that limit North Korea's access to fuel, a powerful way to hinder the country's economy and its ability to launch more rockets.
There's a lot of responsibility on China to ensure that North Korea does not acquire any more resources that could lead to weaponization or nuclear proliferation.
The challenge, this expert says, is actually enforcing it at sea.
Mr. Trump needs to look well beyond those at the top of the government in Beijing, and to really start looking more into how shady international commerce, shell companies, and maritime traffic is.
In this case, the oil tanker was supposedly Chinese-owned, managed out of Norway, and chartered by a company in Taiwan. A possible breach of the sanctions by China could threaten its trading relationship with the U.S. In an interview with the New York Times, Trump said, "I have been soft on China because the only thing more important to me than trade is war."
Trump made the decision early on that because of the North Korean threat, he wasn't going to impose some of the harsh measures like high tariffs against China that he had threatened to do during the campaign as long as Beijing cooperated with us.
If the alleged oil transfer is a sign that Beijing isn't cooperating, Trump's tough talk on trade could finally be put into action. Jacqueline Hansen, CBC News, Washington.